Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you some more items I made for my Dollar Tree DIY burner cover tier tray. It's this mini cloche. Can you believe it? It's so tiny it actually fits on the burner cover tier tray. What you're going to need to replicate this project is one of the color your own wooden ornaments, a package of the Easter Bunny crayons, a mini round bowl. I love using these for DIY projects. You'll need some of the tower game tumbling blocks, aka Jenga, some carrot felt stickers, the package of carrot seeds just for the image, some cardstock, a small bead. I happen to pick mine up from AliExpress because they're nice and cheap. And the first thing I did was I took 4 of the Jenga blocks and I used wood glue to glue 2 of the blocks together on the long side, and then I added 1 block on each of that side to create my X. While that wood glue was drying, I chose my cardstock for the project and I traced my wooden egg onto it. I cut it out and then layered some Mod Podge on the wood egg, added the cardstock. Once that was dry, I added another layer of Mod Podge. Next, I took my Easter Bunny crayons and I painted them with white chalk paint. They're very slick, so it's kind of tricky, but it will work, so just be patient. While I was painting, I also painted a wood bead and I painted the base for my cloche stand. Once the paint was dry, I glued it to the bottom of the ornament egg and I glued the bead on. I laid my carrots down on the top, added my bunnies, and ta-da, my cloche was done. It's just so stinking cute. I can't get over it. I love making mini things. I have a little bonus project because I had destroyed one of the Peeps from the headband and it didn't want it to go to waste, so I thought I would add it to my tier tray. So, of course, you probably don't have a destroyed one, so you'll want some bunnies off of the headbands, a wine glass stand, 1 more Jenga block, and some lace trim, which of course is optional. 1 of the 6-inch wooden dowels. I simply took the bunny off of the headband with spring intact, hot glued it onto the Jenga block, and then I added some of the lace to the bottom of that. Like I said, this was optional, but I just wanted to have a little height to my bunny so when he was standing on my tier tray. Next, I took some more of the cardstock. I used my die cutting machine to cut a scallop circle, and I also cut the image out of the the carrot package, also with my scallop circle die, glued them together. You, of course, will not have the destroyed bunny, but I did, so I took my tail off. And, of course, you'll have to take the spring off because now at this point you're not going to need it. And then you may want to take the bunny tail off depending on where you put your dowel. But take your dowel and add some hot glue to the inside of the wine glass base and then stand your dowel up inside the hole until the hot glue sets. Make sure that it's straight. Then I hot glued my bunny to the front of the dowel and I glued my carrot picture to the back of the dowel. And then I added a big Dollar Tree cotton ball because, of course, I lost mine due to stupidity. And that's what the back looks like, the front looks like, and that's the 2 of them together. And then I added them to my tier. I put it on the stand, by the way, so that it could be inside my cup and still be seen. And here it is on my tier tray. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with more goodies for my tier tray. Thanks for watching. Take care.